coming up to the infamous, most awesome Copa, which is where we surf. Is this Keenan in front? It might be. No, I'm not turning. That's not Keenan. Copa. Yeah, I realize I've never really carried you guys along the way to, like, you've seen me surf here a million times, but I've never showed you how to get here. So, yeah, so you keep going and you follow the road and it leads along to this little beach, which is right around the corner. And there's someone in the water. Well, that's a surf vehicle. So, yarp. This is Copa. I think this is Tim. One man in the water. Good size swell. Look like we're going to have an evening.